The hippopotamus is one of the most powerful and biologically unique mammal on Earth. Beneath its calm presence in African rivers lies an animal shaped by millions of years of evolution for life between land and water. Adult common hippos, Hippopotamus amphibius, typically weigh between 1,300 and 1,800 kilograms, with the largest males exceeding 2 tons. This makes them the third largest land mammal, surpassed only by elephants and rhinoceroses. Despite their immense size, hippos are capable of remarkable speed. On land, they can reach 30 kilometers per hour, moving surprisingly quickly for such massive animals. Their skull is built for power. A hippo's mouth can open to nearly 150 degrees, revealing large canine tusks that can grow over 50 centimeters long. Their bite force is among the strongest of any land mammal, powerful enough to crush bone. Although hippos spend most of their lives in freshwater rivers and lakes, they are not true aquatic mammals. They remain closely tied to land for feeding. During the night, hippos leave the water and travel several kilometers to graze on grass, consuming 30 to 40 kilograms of vegetation each night. Evolutionary biology reveals an unexpected relationship. Genetic and fossil evidence show that hippos are the closest living relatives of whales and dolphins. Both groups share a common ancestor that lived approximately 50 to 55 million years ago. Scientists classify them together within a larger evolutionary group known as Hippomorpha. Many of the hippo's physical features reflect its semi-aquatic lifestyle. The eyes, ears, and nostrils are positioned high on the skull, allowing the animal to remain mostly submerged while still breathing and observing its surroundings. Hippos can hold their breath for about 5 minutes, and they possess a remarkable reflex that allows them to close their nostrils and ears automatically when diving. Even while sleeping, hippos continue this rhythmic cycle of surfacing for air. They often rise to breathe and sink again without fully waking. Reproduction is also adapted to life in water. Female hippos typically give birth in shallow water after a gestation period of around 8 months. Newborn calves instinctively swim to the surface to take their first breath and remain close to their mothers for protection. One of the most unusual biological features of the hippopotamus is its skin secretion. Hippos produce a reddish fluid, sometimes referred to as blood sweat. This substance contains compounds called hipposudoric acid and norhipposudoric acid, which act as both natural sunscreen and antibacterial protection, helping shield the animal's skin from intense sunlight and infection. Social structure within hippo populations centers on water territories. Dominant males control sections of rivers or lakes where groups of females and young gather during the day. These territories are defended through visual displays, vocalizations, and occasionally violent confrontations. Communication among hippos is complex. They produce a variety of grunts, bellows, and wheezing sounds, many of which can travel both above and below the water's surface. Despite their herbivorous diet, hippos are widely considered one of the most dangerous large animals in Africa. Their territorial behavior in water often leads to aggressive encounters with other animals, and sometimes humans. Beyond their impressive physical abilities, hippos play an essential ecological role. Each night, when they graze on land and return to the water, hippos transport nutrients into river systems through their waste. These nutrients feed microorganisms, insects, and fish, helping sustain entire aquatic food webs. For this reason, scientists often describe hippos as ecosystem engineers. However, the species faces growing challenges: habitat loss, expanding human populations, and illegal hunting for their ivory-like canine teeth have reduced hippo numbers across parts of Africa. Today, the common hippopotamus is classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, with an estimated 115,000 to 130,000 individuals remaining in the wild. The hippopotamus represents a remarkable example of evolutionary adaptation, a massive herbivore, a semi-aquatic specialist, and a vital contributor to the ecosystems of Africa's rivers and floodplains. An animal whose biology reflects a long evolutionary journey between land and water.